Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, as you know that as per the order of our Honorable DM, school will be remain closed up to 20th of January due to extreme cold and cold wave. Students, I am here with a explanation video of chapter number 17, some other cities from your textbook. So my dear students, without your wasting your time, take out your social study book and let's begin the class. So all of you open chapter 17, some other cities. Students, here match the following is given. Before starting the chapter, let's do it. Match the state to their cities. So students, here two columns are given. In first, state name is given, and in second, the name of the city is given. So you have to match the state to their cities. Students, here first state is Rajasthan. So the city of Rajasthan is Jaipur. So you have to match Rajasthan with Jaipur. Next is Gujarat. Gujarat to Surat. Third, Karnataka. So you have to match it with Mysuru. Maharashtra. You have to match it with Nagpur. And Punjab. You have to match it with Amritsar. Next is West Bengal. So the city of West Bengal is Siliguri. Next is Odisha. You have to match it with Cuttack. And last is Assam. The city of Assam is Guwahati. Okay, so I hope you understood this and you will match it on your book. Now let's start the chapter. In India, there are many big cities. Some are even as big as the 4 metros. Till a few decades ago, these cities were small towns, but due to sharp increase in number of people and better facilities, they developed into big cities. Let us read about some such cities. So students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the big cities or the 4 metros. Till a few decades ago, these cities were small towns, but due to sharp increase in the number of people and better facilities, they developed into a big cities. So students, in the map you can see the name of some cities of India. Now let's move on to our first topic or first cities, that is Bengaluru. Students, Bengaluru, the capital of Karnataka, is known as the Garden City. It has many beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh and Kuban Park. Bengaluru is also called the Silicon Valley of India because it is home to many IT, information technology companies. Bengaluru has pleasant winter and mild summer. Kannada and English are the main language spoken. So students, the climate of Bengaluru is very pleasant. It has pleasant winter and mild summer, and the language spoken mainly in Bengaluru is Kannada and English. Tipu Sultan's palace, Vidhan Sauda and the government museum are some famous tourist spots here. Next city is Hyderabad. So students, we are going to discuss about Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana? So students, Hyderabad is the capital of state Telangana, and it includes the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The cities are connected by the Hussain Sagar Lake. Hyderabad has grown into an important center for IT industry. It is also known for its textile and pearl jewelry. So students, now you will be able to know that the city Hyderabad is known for its textile and pearl jewelry, and it has also important center of IT industries. And the main language spoken in Hyderabad are Telugu, Urdu and English. The most important place of tourist interest is the Charminar. So my dear students, if you visit Hyderabad, don't forget to visit the most important place of tourist interest, that is Charminar. The Salarganj Museum, Birla Mandir and Golconda Fort are other places of tourist interest. Now next city is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. It is located on the banks of the Sabarmati River. The Sabarmati Ashram built by Gandhiji in the city. The city is famous for its textile industry and patola saris. The Kite Museum and the Kankaria Lake are some places of tourist interest. People in Ahmedabad speak Gujarati, Hindi and English. Students, this is a picture of Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad that is built by Gandhiji in this city. Okay, and I hope you understood very well about the city Ahmedabad. Now let's come to the next city, that is Jaipur. Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. It is said to be India's first planned city. Most of the palaces and buildings in the old city are made of pink sandstone. That is how Jaipur got its nickname, the Pink City. So students, if I ask, name the city which is known as the Pink City, what will your answer? Right, your answer will be Jaipur. So Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, is known as the Pink City because it is the first planned city, and the most of palaces and buildings are made of pink sandstone. That's why the nickname of the city is Jaipur. Now students, let's come to the next paragraph. The main language spoken are Rajasthani, Hindi and Sindhi. So students, the main language of city Jaipur are Rajasthani, Hindi and Sindhi, and English and Punjabi are also spoken in the city. Jaipur is famous for its handicrafts such as jewelry and tie-dye work. So students, Jaipur is famous for its handicraft such as jewelry and tie and dye work. Johari Bazaar is the main shopping center of the Jaipur, and it is famous for its precious and semi-precious stone. Some places of tourist interest are the City Palace, Hawa Mahal, Ram Bagh Palace and the Jantar Mantar Observatory. Now students, look here, this is a picture of Hawa Mahal of Jaipur. Now let's come to the next city, that is Lucknow, and it is popularly known as the city of Nawabs. Lucknow is popularly known as the city of Nawabs. It is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is located along the bank of river Gomti. So students, the city Lucknow is located along the bank of river Gomti, and people of Lucknow speak Hindi and Urdu, and English is also spoken in the city. The most important places of tourist interest are the Residency, Bada and Chota Imambras, Rumi Darwaza, Clock Tower and Sahih Smarak. Lucknow is the famous for its chicken curry embroidery, and the other major industries include handicrafts, electrical goods and food products. Now students, this was about the city Lucknow. Now let's move on to next city, that is Patna. So student, you all are already familiar with the city because Patna is the capital of Bihar, and it is an ancient city rich in history. It is situated on the bank of river Ganga, and the old name of Patna was Patliputra. People in Patna speak Hindi, Bhojpuri, Maithili, Urdu and English. And the main places of tourist interest are the Golghar, Sahih Smarak, Patna Museum, Kargil Chowk and Patna High Court. Now here spot check is given. Give one word answer. Which city is called the Pink City? Tell me the name. Right, it's Jaipur. And in which city would you find the Charminar? Here answer will be Hyderabad. Which city is located on the bank of the river Gomti? Tell me. Yes, Lucknow is the city located on the bank of river Gomti. Now fourth is Golghar is in which city? Golghar is in Patna city. Okay. Now students, let's come to the next city, that is Guwahati. The largest city of Assam, Guwahati is situated on the bank of river Brahmaputra. The main languages spoken are Assamese, Bangla and English. Guwahati too is famous for its handicraft industry. It is known for the colorful woolen shawls. Assam tea and Assam silks, muga, are sold in many shops in Guwahati. Some places of tourist interest are the Kamakhya Temple, Assam State Museum, Kaziranga National Park and Sri Manta Sankardev Kalak Kshetra. Students, Guwahati is the largest city of Assam and it is situated on the bank of river Brahmaputra. The main language spoken in Guwahati are Assamese, Bangla and English, and it is too famous for its handicraft industry, and it is known for the colorful shawls. Assam tea and Assam silk are sold in many shops in Guwahati. Now let's come to the next city, that is Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and it is situated along the bank of two lakes, the upper lake and the lower lake. People in Bhopal speak Hindi, Urdu and English. Handicraft and jewelry are the main industries of Bhopal. Some places of tourist interest are Eken Park, Van Vihar National Park and Bharat Bhavan. So students, this was all about some other cities of our country. Here word bank is given. Sandstone, that means a type of rock. Tie and dye, a process of tying and coloring a piece of woven or knitted cloth. Observatory means a special building from where the sun, the moon and other heavenly bodies are studied. So my dear students, I hope you understood all the topics very clearly by the help of this video. Now students, you have to read this chapter very carefully and practice all the hard work as well as the tourist interest and which city is famous for their handicrafts, tea, etc. So students, you have to read this whole chapter and practice the hard words. I hope you understood. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.